Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will see how we can easily automatically hide and show the menu bar on macOS Big Sur. So the macOS Big Sur update is here. We have updated. If you want to update from macOS Catalina to macOS Big Sur, refer the link in the description of this video. So after installing macOS Big Sur, when you log in, the following menus will be visible and the complete UI is changed. So let's say you need to hide it and you want to display it only on mouse hover. Let's see how. Right now it is on the top, the position on the top, and it's fixed. Let's auto hide and show. Go to the Apple sign, click on it, click on system preferences. Now guys, click on dock and menu bar. Here in the dock settings are visible, the size of dock, position of dock, you can change it. But herein we are focusing on the menu. So automatically hide and show the menu bar, select this. I'll select and let's see what will happen. You need to see the menu here. I've selected. Now you can see the menu vanished and it will be visible only when I'll keep the cursor. You can see only it is visible. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily automatically hide and show the menu bar on macOS Big Sur. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Things.